Hello, and welcome to another demo from VoiceWorx.ai. My name is Jeremiah Oyemade, and I am a co-founder at VoiceWorx, and I would like to take you through a demo of our NBA virtual human demo. So this is a virtual human that's powered by the VoiceWorx platform and unique. And if you don't know enough about virtual humans or digital humans, um, in essence, they're like live digital avatars, and not really in the sense of an avatar. They're not necessarily powered by a human in the background. They can be intelligent and be powered by chatbots and other conversational AI platforms that help them think, interact and respond to questions by users in any space. Could be presented on your website or in the metaverse. So let's get started. I'll pause the video so we don't have too many loading or long pauses. All right, so I'm sharing my screen now as I'm logging into our VoiceWorx platform. Let me go over a couple of prerequisites if you are willing, if you're interested in trying out this process by yourself. You will need a couple of things. First is, of course, a VoiceWorx account that will get you access to our platform, and you can sign up for a free account on our website, voiceworx.ai. You would also need an Amazon or AWS developer account that would be integrated with your VoiceWorx platform account. So you can publish all the bots or apps that you build on our platform to your developer console account. That's how you take them live. And also you'd need a digital human account. We are using UneeQ, and I'll show their website. We're using UneeQ's digital humans for this example. And right now, as of the time of this video, the VoiceWorx platform does have a native integration into UneeQ's digital human console. So like I said, this is a demo, so it's not, we're not going to go into depth of how a bot or an app is created on the VoiceWorx platform. We do have other videos and contents that you can look into to learn how that's done. But a quick overview of the platform. You can either create an app from scratch or use one of these blueprint templates. And we do have a few examples, an extensive library, and you go into, where is it, content, apps and blueprints, and you can look through that library to see if you find any apps that you would like to try out. For here, to create a new app, you go to custom apps. Let me move this little window out of the way and create a new custom app, and let's give it like a name. And pick a search type, and you can save that. Select the category. It's not giving us a default. Yeah, so a default category, and create that. So you would have that test app that's been built, and it takes you into customizing that test application. Here you can link the data sources that you want to use to feed the application. And before you create the app, actually I skipped a step. You go out, you can define your data sources and integrate your accounts with them. But like I said, we're not going into how to build a bot. We're going to go back to custom apps and use one that's already been created to illustrate, to pretty much demo the NBA assistant. And that's it right here. So like I said, these are the data sources that have been built to power this app. There's a QA data rapid API for NBA, and they connect to external or internal data sources that the application will use to answer any queries that you present to it. We're skipping on down to the publishing console. Now, once you're done with your app design and you built out your intents and slots, and again, please see our other documentation at docs.voiceworx.ai or any of the videos on our website, voiceworx.ai. They can guide you through how you can build your own custom app. And once that app is done, you have an option of channels to publish to. Sample channels would be the Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant, or Amazon Lex, and also a digital human. So this is the NBA Assistant bot that's been built. And as you can see, the channel is Lex 2, and you can publish it to Lex, which will take you into the Lex console. And I mentioned at the top of the video that you need a AWS account. And I just switched over to the Lex console, and you can see that bot. That's it right here. On the console, you're able to go to English. Let's see, and you can move this box out of the way. And you can test that bot. So the questions or interactions that you designed into this app can be tested here. Like we can ask a simple question like, what's Michael Jordan? I said this is a basketball. Let me spell Michael right, lowercase. It's a basketball app, and we've built that on the VoiceWorx platform, so that should be able to come up with an answer. So this answer that the bot is producing is out of a data source that's currently located in the VoiceWorx platform. Now you can use external sources, S3 buckets, or other data sources. But this is the bot that has been built, and it was built on the VoiceWorx platform and published to Lex, and that's it in the Lex console. And we also have this integration down here. If you can see where I'm mousing over, is the digital human settings, and that would allow you to publish directly to external digital human platforms, like the unique digital humans that we're using. So once that digital human is created, you're able to publish it or present it on your website in other environments like the metaverse. So think of a scenario where you have you or your organization have a digital human that's going to interact with your users in the metaverse. And they want to ask questions like, what time are your stores open? Or they have customer service questions. How do they return packages?
I can tell you some fun facts about NBA legends. Ask me about a player.
All right, so that's our welcome message from the bot, and I forget her name. I think it's Sophia, but there's a bunch of personalities, and they're very interesting. They can actually see you, and I don't know if you notice, the eyes are kind of moving with me, so it's seeing me. So it's an interesting interaction, and we can ask questions. Let me grab my spreadsheet here. Let's see who is Carmelo. Let's try that. I spell Carmelo right. I think it's because it's a name.
Carmelo Anthony is the U.S. Olympic team's all-time leader in points, rebounds, and games played. Carmelo has won 3 gold medals with Team USA in 2008, 2012, and 2016. How else can I help you?
Let's try a voice interaction this time. See who else we have. Who is Don Nelson?
Don Nelson holds the record for the most coaching wins in NBA history. Nelson won 1335 games with the Milwaukee Bucks, New York Knicks, Dallas Mavericks, and the Golden State Warriors. How else can I help you?
Who is Michael Jordan?
Michael Jordan holds the record for the most points scored in a single NBA playoffs game. He dropped 63 points against the Boston Celtics during a game in the 1986 playoffs. Unfortunately, the Bulls lost the game 135 to 131. How else can I help you?
Let's see, who else do we have here? Let me try one. Tell me about Rick Barry.
Rick Barry holds the distinction of being the only player in history who has led the NCAA, NBA, and ABA in scoring. Since the ABA no longer exists, this is a record that will never be broken. How else can I help you?
Awesome. So thanks, guys. That's the VoiceWorx demo with our digital human powered by Unique and VoiceWorx. And a couple of things I should mention. There's a lot more customizations that can go into this digital human. You can train them how to pronounce. If you notice that some of the phrases she was saying were not pronounced correctly, those could be handled quite easily. And also you can change facial expressions and make them smile and exclaim and be surprised or sad. And this is a really great tool to use to interact with customers in new spaces like the metaverse. And these applications are easily built on the VoiceWorx platform, and we can publish it to any channel. So you could interact with users in Alexa, Google, or metaverse presence with virtual humans. So that's it, guys. Thank you for your time today. And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. We usually go by VoiceWorx AI on IG, Twitter, or any other platform that you find us. But on LinkedIn, we're voiceworx.ai. Like, follow, share, and reach out to us for any questions you might have. And also go to the website, voiceworx.ai, and sign up for a free account or a test account, and hit us up if you have questions. Thank you.